been together such a long time. We got on so well before you married.
Yes. Come, brother.
Arho? Who else is living here?
I have a surprise for you. You have a brother-in-law.
You're married? That's good news. I must meet your husband.
Well, good news. I'm right here. Hi, I'm Uphill. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Abbas.
Maybe you two could get to know each other. Why don't you go hunting?
That's a good idea.
Can you hear that? Hear what?
That bird about to take off.
What bird? How do you know?
I may be blind, but I can still hear better than you. I could hear that bird's wings unfolding.
And what is that noise now?
That is the sound of a warthog coming out of its den.
Wow, I don't think I would notice these things, even if I could use my eyes.
You can have eyes and not see.
Here looks like a good place to put our traps. Here, let me put your trap and I'll set it up for you.
I am so excited about what bird I'm going to get. Oh, I hope I got a bird. Oh yes, I could use something. I got a bird.
Yeah, it seems like you have. Let's put it in a bag for you. Wow, you really are wise. I've learned so much from you today. But tell me, why do men fight?
That's simple. They do what you have just done to me.
Wait, what? How? Here, I'm sorry. I feel so guilty. Sorry, give me your book back. Now tell me, how do men become friends again?
They do what you have just done to me.
So we are friends?
No, we are brothers.
Come on, brother. Let's get home.
Hi. Thank you. So did you two have a nice time?
It was good, but...
It was amazing trip.
Let's all celebrate then.
Hooray!